When you're cleaning your SCBA, you want to make sure after the fire to remove any contaminants that may have gotten onto the device before it goes back into the apparatus so you don't cross-contaminate your rig going back to the station. Also, when you return to station, make sure to wash it properly with plentiful water to remove anything that may have been left on there and clean it with a soft bristle brush and a non-abrasive chemical such as soap. When you're cleaning your SCBA at the fire, make sure to remove all contaminants as possible before you place it back in the apparatus, whether it's on the side compartment or in the cab of the vehicle. And when you return to station, continue to clean it further with plentiful amounts of water and soap and no harsh chemicals so that it doesn't degrade any of the straps or the device itself.